What is up, Power Stoke Nation? My name is Austin and welcome to the Power Stoke YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, like the video, comment. I will do my best to comment back, and yeah, welcome to the channel. So we're starting off today. I want to say there is no truck mod in this video. If you were hoping for that, this is not the video for you, and I'm sorry, but I hope you stick around because there will be some more flooding in. The reason there hasn't been any truck mods is, as you guys know, I've been with Sierra for several years now. She's been my #1 supporter, always there pushing me to do videos. I absolutely love her to death, and so I finally dropped to one knee and I asked her to marry me, and she said yes, you guys. So I am officially engaged. So the reason why there hasn't been videos is I've been saving up for the ring and everything, and I wanted to make sure that I could get her something that was as special as she is. So with all this happy stuff out of the way, I wanted to talk to you guys. I haven't done anything mod-wise to the truck in quite some time. The last thing I think was the grill, was the actual mod where it changed the look of the truck or did something. So I wanted to do performance mods with the truck. And I was looking into the ATS compressor housings, and I've seen good and bad on those. And they're a lot of money, they're 400 bucks. So I was considering doing something a little bit crazy. And you know what, if it didn't work, I would obviously have the old housing that I could go back to. But I wanted to see if you guys would be interested in me buying a $200 compressor housing, probably made in China, but it's 200 bucks, so half the price, and see how well that compares to an ATS. So I know ATS ran the market on those for a long time. I think they even trademarked, or not trademarked, but you know what I mean. They patented the design and everything, so they were the only ones that could do it. I've heard a lot of bad about them, like the inside's not being all clean. It's not polished, it's not nice on the inside. So I just wanted to ask you guys if you'd be okay with that. If you guys would think that would be something kind of cool and interesting to see if you don't need to spend $400 on a housing when you can spend half that and get the same performance. So all the housing will do is allow a little bit more air inside and hopefully eliminate surge. I'm not looking for major performance gains. I just want to get rid of the surge I have. And at $400 for an ATS housing, I'm what, a third of the way to a GTP 38R, and I don't have that money right now. So I was thinking about going the budget way and seeing if that worked out. And again, I would keep the old housing, so if this one grenaded or whatever reason, I would have an extra. So that's something I wanted to run by you guys. And then I'm starting to get some haze, I've noticed, when I'm early morning, when the truck's not warmed up. I'm starting to get a little bit of haze, so that means injectors will probably be happening this year. Recommendations down below for injectors, where best place to get them, what your guys' experience are with different brands of injectors, and I'll go from there. Because again, I'm new to this whole diesel thing. I mean, I've been at it for a couple years now, but injectors, all that stuff is pretty new to me. So very short video this week, nothing really crazy, just me talking and blabbing away, and I apologize for that. But I wanted to keep you guys in the loop, not keep you guys in the dark. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Grab some merch down in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment. I will do my best to comment back. And thank you guys so much for even watching this video, even though there wasn't a truck mod. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'll see you guys next time.